In the given figure, ABCD is a trapezium with AB is parallel to CD and angle BCD is equals to 60 degree. If BFEC is a sector of a circle with center C and the angle is 60 degree, and what is given that AB is equals to BC is equals to AB is equals to BC is equals to 7 centimeter and DE is equals to 4 centimeter, then find the area of the shaded region. ठीक है, तो यहां पर ध्यान से देखो CB is equals to CE होगा, why? CB is equals to CE, why? Why these two are equal? देखो मैं रेड मैं ऐसे मार्क कर रहा हूँ, ये दोनों क्यों इक्वल है?
So radius of the circle.
quadrants with their radius.
Radius of the sector, fine. So ये भी 7 होगा, this is also 7, clear? And
Yes,
this
sir.
is given for, so what is the shape of this quadrilateral ABCD?
Trapezium.
Yes, trapezium. And we know that the area of trapezium also half into sum of parallel sides into distance between them. So पूरे trapezium में से ये sector minus करना है. So very simple. तो ये मैं 7 और 4 इसलिए बता रहा हूँ क्योंकि यहाँ पर हम लोग CD निकालेंगे now. Okay, let us start with the first step. CE is equals to CB is equals to 7 centimeter. Reason already told. Radii of the sector. So CD is equals to 4 plus 7, that is 11 centimeter. Now from right triangle, देखो हम लोग के पास distance between them नहीं है. Right triangle से हम लोग क्या करेंगे? Distance between them निकालेंगे या BL निकालेंगे हम लोग trigonometry use करके. See, this is 7, it is given, and with respect to 60 degree, this is which side? Opposite, adjacent, which side?
Opposite side.
Opposite side, and this is hypotenuse. So which trigonometric ratio you will use?
Sine 60
Sine.
degree.
Okay, fine. Sine or cosec you can use it. So sine 60 degree we are using. So sine 60 degree is equals to BL upon BC, and BL we have to find. BC is BC कितना है 7 और sin 60 कितना होता है? What is the value of sin 60 degree?
Root 3 by 2.
Right, root 3 by 2.
3 by 2.
So BL upon 7 is equals to root 3 by 2. So BL कितना हो जाएगा? 7 root 3 by 2. Right, the value of root 3, this is root 3. The value of root 3 is given 1.73. So उसको हम लोग substitute करके finally we'll get the value of BL. Okay, इसको 7 से into करके divide by 2 करेंगे. So we'll get 6.05 centimeter. So this is BL. So now the required shaded region is equals to area of trapezium minus area of sector. Now half into sum of parallel sides, that is AB plus CD, into distance between them, that is BL, minus theta upon 360 into pi r square, or pi r square theta upon 360. This step is clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we'll substitute the value of AB 7, CD 11 and BL 6.05. Pi is 22 by 7, R यहाँ पे 7 है, एक 7 हम लोग कैंसिल कर सकते हैं और यहाँ पर भी हम लोग कैंसिल कर सकते हैं 60 से, right? One more we can cancel here, 3 और यहाँ पे 11, तो 77 by 3 आ रहा है, 25.6666, okay? So this, if you calculate this, you will get 54.45 minus 25.66, and finally we'll get 28.79 centimeter square. So this is the required area of the shaded region. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
No,